press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with Hexbot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. Hexbot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. Hexbot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. Hexbot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on Hexbot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling Hexbot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control Hexbot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring Hexbot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop.
When the sun is blinding, putting down your visor only blocks your view. That can be dangerous. Hi, I'm Hunter Ellis, and this is the BattleVisor. When I was flying FA-18, sun protection for perfect vision was critical for mission success. That's why I trust BattleVisor to block the harsh glaring sun and keep me safe on the road. Just pull it down to see the entire picture in crystal clear, high definition. From dawn till dusk, the sun won't distract you from focusing on what's most important, the safety of you and others. The secret, BattleVisor uses atomic clarification technology that blocks blue rays and cuts harsh glare so you can safely see everything on the road ahead. We put BattleVisor to the test with real people, not actors.
This is like night and day. I can see so clearly.
I can't believe how well this cuts the glare. It's amazing.
I love it.
Things you couldn't see are now suddenly visible. That can be the difference between life and death. BattleVisor works on all vehicles, big or small, and installs in a second. No tools, no fuss. Just perfect vision every time you hit the road. Call now and get the BattleVisor for just $14.99. BattleVisor's made right here in the USA, and it's built tough to last for years, guaranteed or your money back.